Born on May 4th, 1929 in Brussels, Belgium, as Audrey Kathleen Royston, she spent much of her childhood in the Netherlands, where she experienced the hardships of World War II. Before becoming a Hollywood icon, Audrey dreamt of becoming a prima ballerina. She trained seriously in ballet, even studying in London after the war. Audrey's breakthrough role came in 1953 with Roman Holiday, where she starred opposite Gregory Peck. She won the Academy Award for Best Actress for this role, catapulting her into stardom. Audrey Hepburn is synonymous with timeless elegance. Her collaboration with designer Hubert de Givenchy created some of the most iconic looks in fashion history. The little black dress she wore in Breakfast at Tiffany's is perhaps the most iconic. In her later years, Audrey became a dedicated humanitarian. She worked tirelessly as the UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, drawing attention to the plight of children in impoverished nations. Her humanitarian work earned her the Presidential Medal of Freedom in 1992. Despite her fame, Audrey was known for her humility and kindness. She often downplayed her own beauty and talent, saying that she didn't understand why people found her beautiful. Audrey's trophy cabinet was quite full. She won an Academy Award, a Tony Award, a Grammy and an Emmy, making her one of the few EGOT, Emmy, Grammy, Oscar, Tony winners in history. Sadly, Audrey passed away on January 20th, 1993 from cancer at the age of 63. However, her legacy continues to live on. She remains a beloved figure in film and fashion, and her humanitarian work continues to inspire new generations. Audrey Hepburn's life was a blend of grace, talent and compassion, making her not just a Hollywood icon but also a symbol of kindness and elegance that transcends generations. AI tribute to Audrey Hepburn, all images AI generated. Create similar videos. Like, subscribe and learn how. Bye bye for now.